Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Gracia Sylvester Masawe. This is a chemistry department ready to present about the methods of separating mixture. Today we are going to see about the simple distillation. Simple distillation is the process of obtaining a single liquid from a suspension or a solution by boiling the mixture and obtaining the vapor and cooling it back into a liquid. I would like to welcome my second speaker to talk more about the process. Thank you.
Thank you, my previous speaker. I'm here to explain about the experiment we have. As you can see, this is simple distillation method, whereby we have the experiment setting here, and also we have some apparatus. As you can see, this is a retort stand, and here we have this Bunsen burner, tripod stand, wire gauze. This is a round-bottomed flask with a side arm, and this is called a Liebig condenser. These are pipes from the running water, and this is also a pipe sending water back to the sink. Our experiment is about purifying water, purifying the mud water to get pure water. And this is a beaker, whereas you're going to collect the pure water, in which in chemistry we call it distilled water. So the process is as follows. As you can see, we are boiling the mud water into the round-bottomed flask with a side arm, whereby it's going to, and also we have thermometer, whereby we are going to heat this one, and it's also going to evaporate and pass through this Liebig condenser. A Liebig condenser is a double-layered tube, whereas it has the inner tube and the outer tube. The inner tube is the tube in which it takes the vapor from the evaporated water. It takes the vapor directly to the beaker, but it can't go as a vapor, so it has to be cooled, in which it is cooled with the running water from the tap through the outer tube of the Liebig condenser. So the outer tube, it carries the cold water from the water tap, and it passes through the outer tube, and it's going to cool the water, and we're getting the pure water, as you can see. I'd like to welcome the next speaker to speak more about this.
Thank you, my previous speaker. My name is Natalia Robert Sichalwe, and I'll be presenting about the importance of simple distillation. First, it is simple to use. Simple distillation is simple to use since it does not consume a lot of time, meaning that when you apply more heat or energy, it will not consume a lot of time. The second, it is used to separate immiscible liquids. What are immiscible liquids? Immiscible liquids are liquids which do not completely mix with each other. So this experiment, it is used to separate immiscible liquids. The third is, it is used in the purification of water. Most of the water that we use is not pure. Example, in Sigira's water, it is milky. Milky. So this simple distillation, it is used to separate. I will welcome my last speaker to explain about the application.
Thank you, my previous speaker. My name is Alice Robert Mboya. I'm here in front of you to talk about application of simple distillation. Simple distillation, it is applied in separating ethanol from water, and also it is applied in separating gasoline from crude oil, whereby crude oil is a different types of oil obtaining from different fossils. And also, simple distillation, it is used in purifying muddy water into pure water. As you can see here in our experiment, the muddy water, it has been purified, and here at our beaker, we obtain pure water. And the simplest alternative way of purifying water is by using boiling method and also sand filtration. Thank you.